Hi, my name is Caylie Craig, and I'm a recruiter here at Midland College. Whether it's your first time in college or you're a returning student ready to continue your education, we've got the application for you. In this video, we're going to walk step by step through filling out an application. So follow along, grab your computer, and let's get started.
Okay, now that we are at our computer, the first thing you're going to do is open your web browser and search in www.midland.edu. The first thing you will see is our home page. Up at the top right-hand corner, you'll see 3 green buttons. You're going to click on the very middle button that says Apply Now. After clicking Apply Now, you will see all the different types of student types we have. Just to go over these student types, the first one is going to be high school graduate or GED completer. If you're fresh from high school or just got your GED, this is going to be the application for you. Transfer student is for students who are attending another college or university but plan to completely transfer to Midland College. Dual credit and homeschool is for our dual credit students or our homeschool students who are interested in dual credit. The returning Midland College student application is for those who previously attended Midland College and plan to come back. Visiting student is going to be for students who are currently full-time attending at another college or university and just plan to take a few credits with Midland College. Our casual student is for students who are not seeking a degree and just want to take a couple of courses. And lastly, our international students are for students who currently reside outside of the United States. Whenever you do click on the international student application, just keep in mind it is going to take you to an Apply Texas website because there are additional questions that need to be filled out and information needed to be collected. Let's take a look at what it looks like to apply as a recent high school graduate. Once you click on the application, it will then go to a series of questions that you need to fill out. You're going to begin by clicking on Start, and it's first going to ask for a variety of personal information. You may notice as you go through the application, there are a bunch of red asterisks alongside a few different questions. These have to fill out. You will not be able to submit your application if these questions are not filled out. You're going to start off with your first name, your last name, social security number, place of birth, date of birth, and U.S. citizenship information. Next, you're going to click down onto residency questions. It's going to take a look at where you are residing before you begin college. Next, it's going to ask for your contact information. You're going to fill out all your address, city, state. This here is also going to ask for your email address. It is very important you do not put a high school email address. Make sure you're putting your personal email address that you check most often. Once you receive a confirmation email that your application has been processed, it's going to go to the email address that you put on your application right here. Next, it's going to ask a series of questions about parent education level, demographic information, and then, of course, your military service, veteran, or dependent information. Moving on here, it's also going to ask a series of questions about your educational information. It will ask where you went to high school and college information. If you have previously attended a college, you will put all of that information right here. Next, it's going to go to a few custom questions about your home life and your housing information. Lastly, here it's going to ask about your educational objectives. Here you're going to put why you chose Midland College to pursue your degree. You're going to choose what year you plan to begin your studies. You're going to choose what term you plan to begin your studies. And then, of course, you're going to choose your degree or certificate that you planned to study. Lastly, you're going to fill out the emergency contact information. You can fill out one emergency contact, you can fill out both emergency contacts, or you don't have to fill out any at all. It is completely up to you. And then the last step is just going to be to choose that you are not a robot, and then once all the information is filled out, you may click Submit. It's going to then ask you to give the page 2 minutes to fully submit your application. Please wait the full 2 minutes and do not refresh the page or exit out of the page. Once the 2 minutes have been up, your page will automatically refresh and it will give you a green success button. Once you get that green success button, you know your application has successfully submitted. It will take about 5 to 7 business days for your application to process through our system. Once those 5 to 7 business days are up, you should receive an email from the email that you provided, and that is how you know your application has been successfully submitted and you're ready for next steps.